Sana'y marinig mo ang aking sasabihin, Mayor, Mr. President. You are the image of sacrifice and courage. You are the epitome of a leader who gave it all but asked for nothing. You are the unifying force to restore the rectitude and the majesty of our laws. You are the embodiment of a leader that inspires a brave, independent, and sovereign nation. Sa ating pong mga kababayan, huwag po kayong mawawalan ng loob. I always believe that there is time for reckoning and for truth to prevail. Let us bring back our decency, our patriotism, and our true sense of nationhood. Let us bring back our qualities that define us and prove as to who we are as a people. Let us be resilient. Let us be steadfast. Let us be patient towards our march to normalcy, transparency, and integrity. Let us bring back our president no matter what happens. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Mahalin natin ang Pilipinas.